Okay, give me some dirt. Come through there. Keep your hand up there. Focus. Dirt, more dirt. Okay, good, good. Back to face. Back down face. Spit that dirt out. Body pan. You keep that dust coming in there.
Put your body.
Don't worry about the sound. Just keep the dust going.
Back up a little bit. And then keep. Back up a little bit more. Yeah. Right.
Focus to left thigh. Good. And struggle. Stay in that light. Stay in the light. Alright. Back to face. Alright. Stop the dust. Alright. Try to climb out.